The NAV11 Super Duty truck tire changer from Totalkare is a popular choice with many commercial vehicle workshops. The operating dimensions of both its clamping unit and head tool carriage means the NAV11 can be used to change tires on a wide range of wheels, including the Super Single. The controls, with lever-type hydraulic distributors, enables the user to regulate the speed of the tool holding carriage, resulting in smooth, safe operation and, importantly, quick and efficient tire changes. All tire changes from Totalkare can be supplied with alloy protection to preserve the wheels. Speak to our team today for a quote or to arrange a demonstration.